Cultural miscommunication, an American company formed a team of people from different countries. The team consists of 5 people. Wilden is from France, Mugni is from Indonesian, Sihilan is from America, Fikri is from Saudi Arabia, and Delhi is from Japan. One day they held a casual gathering in the office, in order to get to know each other more closely. All members have gathered on time, except Mugni who is from Indonesia.
Does anyone know where Mukni is?
I don't know. He has not given me any news.
It wasn't long before Mugni came and said hello.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Sorry guys, so this greeting is the culture of Indonesians and Saudi Arabia, as well as the culture in other Muslim countries.
Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I was late because I got stuck. So where did the conversation go?
We discussed the work culture of the Earth country, starting from Japan, which is a hard worker, so sleeping on the train is a natural state because you are present in your work. Then how in the culture of the work in France?
In France, the people are very upholding democracy. Therefore, they often hold meetings to discuss before making decisions in office.
People here prefer to work alone rather than in groups, and their work is quite regimented. What about the culture of working in Arab Fikri?
The work culture in Saudi Arabia is a working time that starts from Sunday to Thursday, where Friday and Saturday are designated as holidays. But there are also some private companies that set weekdays for 6 days and holiday only on Friday.
I see. If in Indonesia is slightly different. The work culture in Indonesia start from Monday to Friday and Saturday to Sunday, which is set as a holiday. Then the work culture in Indonesia attaches great importance to social hierarchy, and reputation is very important in Indonesia. Indonesians also avoid conflicts between colleagues.
After finishing their working hours, they promised to gather at the food festival.
So guys, since we were here, I'm wondering about each country culinary specialties. Can you tell me about your country specialties?
Then they visited every food court of each country.
A typical food in Saudi Arabia called kabuli rice, in contrast to rice from other countries. This rice uses basmati rice, where the shape is oblong and elongated. Kabuli rice tastes savory. This rice is usually cooked in advance with goat meat, broth, goat's milk, and salmon oil.
As you know, the famous Japan specialists are sushi, takoyaki, and ramen noodle. And not only here, considering the geographical location of Japan, fresh seafood is very important for the people here.
If in Indonesia, there are many regional specialties because there are many regions in Indonesia. For example, such as gudeg from Yogyakarta, rendang from Minangkabau, pempek from Palembang, gado-gado from Jakarta, and many more.
Maybe you have watched the movie Ratatouille. Yes, it is true. This is typical food from my country, France, and also baguette, the British dessert, which is large along the size of the child's body.
After buying food from each country, they went to the park and talked there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
What are your plans to go vacation to Indonesia, Zilan?
I'm going to Bali, not Indonesia, because Bali is such a beautiful place.
Actually, Bali is a part of Indonesia. Yeah.
Oh, I just found out about this. I thought Bali was a country. Could you tell me more about your country culture?
Oh, I also think that Bali is different from Indonesia.
There are many more beautiful islands, such as Bali. One example is Raja Ampat Island located in Papua. And in Indonesia, also not only the islands are beautiful, but have a lot of cultural diversity, such as traditional houses, traditional ceremonies, traditional clothing, traditional dances, traditional musical instruments, traditional weapons, and regional specialties. Yeah.
Wow, I didn't realize there was so much culture in Indonesia. I'll check it out when I go there.
By the way, if doesn't wrong, there is a unique culture in Japan that uses paper.
Yep, it is called origami, the art of paper folding. It's not only that. Japan is also famous for anime. Then there is interesting picture of Arabic writing. Can explain it?
It's called calligraphy. Calligraphy is an art of writing that emphasizes beauty in the forms of letters that have been modified so that they have aesthetic value. There is also an Arabic culture called Arda. Arda is a dance with a sword, where dancers usually use ropes, then the dancer will be accompanied by traditional music. So, what is the culture of American Zealand?
Americans like to wear clothes that are casual or informal even on campus. However, the combination of jeans, cowboy hats, and boots is classic American look. What about in France, Wildan?
In contrast to America, in France people are required to dress neatly and qualitatively, with fashionable and luxurious clothes to look professional. As you know, Paris is the fashion center of the world and dubbed as the fashion capital of the world.
This is quite impressive. Someday I want to visit your country.
It seems that today is quite tiring. A lot of things are obtained today. Thank you. See you soon, guys.
See you.
Okay, see you
Okay,
guys.
see you guys.